Hi, I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to change the rear tires on the Victory LX Sport by Pride Mobility, so stay tuned. To change the rear tires on the Victory LX Sport, you're going to need a few tools. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver to pop out the little cap on the tire. You're going to need a 3/4 inch socket set, and you're going to need something to prop the scooter up on. First thing I'm going to do is grab my flathead screwdriver, and we're just going to pop this cap off. That exposes our 3/4 inch bolt. And now I'm doing this before I jack the scooter up because this bolt can be kind of tight. I've got a socket set here. If this is in the air, the tire will spin, so it's a little bit easier with it on the ground. I'm going to at least break that bolt. There we go. And I'm just going to go ahead and take the nut off. I recommend a longer socket like this as opposed to a short one. The short one might just hit into the tire. That's why I got such a long one here. There goes our nut. Next, we're going to jack up the scooter. I have this hand jack here that you can get from Magic Mobility, but you could honestly, anything that you can use to prop up the scooter just so we can get this tire up off the ground. I'm going to jack it under here. And now the tire's off the ground, and I can very easily pull it out. We do have a washer here, and also there's a little key right here. If you were to do the front tires, this key does not exist, but on the rear tires it does. Try to not lose that. If it does pop out, it just goes in like this. When you get your new tire, you can tell it's the rear tires because there's a little slot for the key right there. The front tires do not have that slot, they're just completely rounded. So we do want to line that up with this key. The key might want to pop out a little bit. I can see from the top, and I can use my fingers to kind of hold it down. There we go, we're on. This washer goes back on. I'm going to hand thread this on. We'll get our socket and go ahead and tighten this again. You can use an impact drill if you want. Just not everyone has that on hand, so I was doing it with a socket. But you're just going to keep tightening it until it's, well, tight. There we go. Then we'll just grab our little cap, pop it back in, and then set the scooter back down on the ground. Like I said, the front tires are going to be the same process, except you're not going to have that key, and they're going to be a 1/2 inch bolt instead of a 3/4 inch bolt. I do have a video on how to do that as well. That has been how to change the rear tires on the Victory LX Sport. If you like this video or you like this unit, you need to purchase this unit, or if you just have any questions, please give us a call, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.